All right, but let's go see if we could have found a trade, what trade we could have took. So I got NQ marked out. I mean, goals without a timeline, they're just dreams, right?
They're like, oh my God, when will he quit? He been chasing paper, one day he'll be real rich. They're like, oh my God, he's still lit. He played for.
All right, so it's currently 12:39. Boy, I got some Panda. I had to bring my mom all the way out here to like 30 minutes away from the house to some dealership. But gotta go home right now. I gotta do my back testing session and hit chest, so I'll pick the camera up when I'm over there. Alright, so I'm right here. I'm outside, I'm about to hit chest. So remember, it's four sets of 25 reps. So I'm gonna hit that. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick the camera up when I'm hitting dips. So I'll see ya. Alright, so I just got done with my bench. I'm gonna go ahead and hit my fucking. Remember, it's 4 sets of 25s as well for my dips. So let me get that on camera. Alright, so I got 3 more sets of those, and I got push-ups. So I'll pick the camera up when I'm doing those. Alright, so I just got done with my dip, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit my push-ups. So alright, got 2 more sets of those. I'm done my workout. I'm gonna go do my back testing session, so I'll pick the camera up there. Alright, so this is the back testing. This is the back testing session I did for today. So this one I fucked up on because I took it long, but alright, what's up everybody? How's it going? So first of all, today was President's Day. So it's a bank holiday, right? So usually you don't even want to be looking at the charts these days, just because of the low volume. But today there's a shit ton of volume. I could have been on the charts, but I decided to take the day off. Let me make this smaller so I'm not so fucking big. Bam. Alright, but let's go see if we could have found a trade, what trade we could have took. So I got NQ marked out and then fucking ES. So let's go ahead and see what NQ gives us. So we have 4-hour lows. Oh well, now we see what. So we end up sweeping these. So it's hourly lows. We got hourly lows right here and hourly lows right here. Let's go ahead and see when that happens. So this is not market open. This is market open. And this is 650 macro. Okay. So market opens. Bam. We sweep liquidity. So we could come ahead and delete this line right here. Delete this one. Okay, well, after this liquidity level gets swept, what are we looking for? We're just looking for a break of structure on the 5-minute chart. Okay. So this is an up and a down candle. So this would be our high right here. We just need a break above this. Okay. So we break structure right here off of this candlestick. Off of this candlestick, we break structure. So now we're just looking for confluences to enter this trade. So this would have been an order block that got tapped back into. Let's see if we get another tap back into it. No. Nope. Then we get some EQ from this low to this. No. Nope. Okay, do we get a fair value gap? Okay, so now we get a fair value gap right here. Now we just want to see a retest into this. Which I think we get right here. Nope. 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 We could draw equilibrium now from these lows to these highs. See if market retrace it back into this before 9 o'clock. If we don't get one before 9, then no, bam. So let's get down into the 1 minute. Do we break structure? Yep. So we just needed to break. So if we break structure going back into the areas that we wanted to go back into, we want to see another break of structure to the upside. But in this case, we just broke structure again back to the downside. So we would need to see another 5 minute. I would need to see another 5 minute break of structure to the upside. But this would have been nope. You see? So that's why you don't want to just enter off of your confluences off of just the retracement. Well, if it's the retracement, if it was like this and we didn't break structure off of this low being broken right here, if we didn't break structure off of this, we could, and we tap back into it, I'm cool with just taking the trade like that once we tap into it and take the trade. If we did break structure, on, especially on the 5 minute, I would want to see another break of structure to the upside after we enter the area that we want to take our trade from. Let's go ahead and see what fucking EQ would have done. Alright. It's probably going to be the same thing because it's just EQ and NQ are damn near the same thing, but you get better entries on one than the other some days. Alright, so market opens. Market opens. Bam, bam, 6:30. $6.50. Is this the right day? This is the wrong fucking day. Come on, dude. Alright, let me go ahead and let's go ahead and find fucking today for you guys. Today's the 16th. Bam. We're just looking for 6:30 Friday. Damn, I'm way the fuck over here. Damn, I'm way off. I'm going to get out of replay real quick. But like I said, usually on bank holidays, we don't want to trade. 15 minute. Let's go ahead and mark out Monday, 17th at 6:30. Let's go ahead and drag the bar way over here. Bam. Okay, so where do we have our lows and highs at? Down and up candle is a low right here. And then let's go ahead and fucking find a high. Up, then down, down, down. Up, then down. We get this high. This high, this high. We have these lows that we swept pre-market, and then these lows are here. Alright, so let's go ahead and mark out our macro, which is 650. Alright, you know what? No, we don't hit these yet until market opens. I don't know why TradingView is like that. TradingView has a weird fucking backtesting thing. Let's go ahead and fucking retest this. Okay, bam, we got a sweep of liquidity. Remember, once we sweep liquidity, all we're looking for is just confirmation that the trend is going to reverse. So if we would have swept liquidity up here, all we want to see is a break of structure to the downside and try to find our continue confluation points. So fair value gap, equilibrium, and all that. So right now, all we're looking for is a high to be created, right? Bam, no high has been created. Remember, a high and a low is an up candle. A high is an up candle and a down candle. A low is a down candle and an up candle. So right here, down candle, up candle. These are our lows. There's no down candle right here within these, what is it, like 4 or 5 fucking candlesticks. So there's no high that has been created yet. Okay, no high yet. Okay, so this would have been our high. Now we want to see is a break of structure off of this high. Bam, we get a break of structure. Okay, so now we could go from these lows to these highs. See if we get an equilibrium. Oh, that fucked me, didn't it? Okay. Okay, we have break of structure. Equilibrium doesn't get tapped into. Okay, but we get this. What is this? No order block. No. Nope. Okay. What we could have took a trade off today was, let's go ahead and delete this. We could have took a trade off of these lows to these highs. Equilibrium from these lows to these highs we could have got into, or even from these lows to these highs. Nope. But yet again, this is just forcing a trade, so I wouldn't even, this ain't even too clean of a setup for me to even try to get into. But if you could have got in and found something way down here, by all means, you feel me? I mean, you could have entered off of this. After this low is created, we tap equilibrium. Do we break structure to come fill this? Just look how choppy this is, though. That's why you don't want to trade. It's like a fucking barcode. It looks like a barcode. Okay, so we don't break structure coming down, so we could have entered off of this long position. Going up, down, stops below whatever we took our trade off of. So if you're taking a trade like off a fair value gap, well, it all depends on how you want to trade. But the way I trade, if I take a trade off of a fair value gap, let's say like this, right here, so I'm entering off right here, my stop loss would probably be, depending on where it's at, below the third wick. So I wouldn't want to have my low, I wouldn't want to take a trade off of a fair value gap and put my fucking stop loss below this equilibrium level. I would want to be off of where your trade would be invalidated. So if price ends up pushing past this fair value gap right here, then my fucking stop loss might get hit. Okay. Now what do we usually? Bam, a 1 or 2. So you could hit a 1 or 2, but yet again, this is forcing a trade. I would not want to do this. I would just wait till Friday, the days I could trade, and get a cleaner entry then. But I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick little lesson today on the whiteboard. I'm gonna talk to you guys about goal setting and how to set habits. It's just what I do and what I see and work better for me, rather than how I used to set goals. So I'll see you guys right now. All right, what's up, everybody? So I just got done with that market recap. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to set goals, right? So I learned this from a podcast. Well, it's a couple podcasts that I learned from, and I'm gonna just show you what I learned from, what I got from there and how I took it. Because usually when some people relate a message, they take it the way they want to where it works for them. Like with my trading strategy, right? I learned from somebody, but I changed it up a little bit to work for me, right? All right. So for goals, right? If you have goals, the first thing you want to do is set a timeline for your goals. My man, you guys can't see. So if you have goals, the first thing you want to do is set a timeline. The only reason why you want to set a timeline is because goals without dreams, goals without a timeline, they're just dreams, right? You're not going to fucking, what's it called? You could say fucking down the road, say one of your goals is to have a Lamborghini, right? But you don't have a set date on when you want to reach that goal. It's just a fucking dream at that point. You might as well just fucking, I don't fucking know. Okay? But for the goals as well, my bad, let me flip this camera for you guys. What you guys want to do in order to reach your goals is set daily habits for your goals. This is what I do. I make sure I got to stick to everything. Like my daily habits now is what? Workout, okay? Another one of my daily habits is to backtest the market every day to make sure that my strategy is on point. What's another one of my daily habits? Go over market recap to make sure for Friday when I get on the markets, I'm still up to date on how market is reacting, how price action is during that session, right? Just set daily goals for you and make sure you do these every day. Because like I said in one of my other videos, consistency plus time is going to bring results, right? So as long as you're doing these every day, and if you don't see a change after 6 months doing all this, okay, then you have to change something. It means you weren't doing something right. But you got to make sure that it is impossible for you to not reach your goals. You have to make it, how do I say that? You want to make sure that you do everything in your fucking possibility to make sure that you reach these goals, right? So you want to make sure your daily habits are pushing you towards that goal. But other tthan that, that's a little lesson for you guys. Like today, for me, some daily habits I got to start working on are during the weekends and my days off. Because usually when I get days off throughout the week, like a Monday or a Friday, well, I get Fridays off anyways, and that's when I'm able to trade and actually go throughout like the days. You see where I'm most productive and when I do a lot of shit are my Fridays. So how can I set stuff for Saturdays and Sundays to where I'm able to keep working towards my goals? Because then, so during this Saturday and Sundays, I'm able to wake up, right, do my back testing session. It only takes me about like an hour out of my day. And after that, I'm able to do my fucking, I can't do market recaps those days. So it's usually just back testing, but that's all I'm doing for trading. And then I try to get content for you guys, but usually my content throughout the week is really, I get longer videos throughout the week because I'm actually doing those daily habits I'm talking to you guys about. So in order to reach your goals, just set daily habits and stick to them. But other than that, that's it for today's video. It might be a short video, it might be a long video. I try to get clips throughout the day, but I didn't really do much today, but just try to work on that other business I was telling you guys about. And I did back testing and then played chess. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and you guys have a good one.